Enjoying jet ski adventures at Chickamauga Lake? Make docking and storage easier than ever with TN Econo Lifts. Our expert jet ski dock services ensure your PWC is safe, secure, and always ready to ride. With our floating jet ski lifts, you can launch and dock effortlessly while protecting your watercraft from waves, dock damage, and algae buildup. No more struggling with unstable tie-ups. Our reliable lift systems adjust to changing water levels for a smooth and stress-free experience. Looking for a new jet ski lift? Need repairs or maintenance? Our skilled team provides fast, professional service to keep your setup in top shape. We serve Chickamauga Lake and surrounding areas, delivering durable, high-quality solutions for personal watercraft owners. With affordable pricing and expert craftsmanship, TN Econo Lifts is the go-to choice for jet ski dock services. Call 615-278-8219 today for a free consultation. Visit us at https://middleneconolifts.com. TN Econo Lifts, trusted experts in jet ski dock services at Chickamauga Lake.